are prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is a channel that is optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, try your best to subscribe, turn on the notification so you get notified when I upload any content. Try to like and share and comment so that YouTube push you to a high level of audience. Today's video will talk about V75 moving averages setup that make you consistent profit. Join VIP for them for your services. In recent times and many years, a lot of people have tried to trade the Forex synthetic market using indicators, but the problem there is that indicators keep lagging. They show false signal, but with this combination of moving averages you will get consistent profit if you apply it wisely. There is a video in the link of there is a video link in the description of this video. Watch the video so that you actually know how to apply these moving average setups. So the number one moving average you should set is EMA 200, second EMA 100, third EMA 50, and the fourth is EMA 200. I'm going to take you to the chart so that you will be able to learn how to set this thing up. First of all, you go to insert, you see indicators, you see trend, and then under trend you see moving averages, so you click on it. Remember, I'm shooting this on a laptop device. If you really need to know how to do it on a mobile device, in case you don't know, then try to comment in the comment section or DM me on Telegram or join my Telegram channel. Then you will see my Telegram link, my user link, Telegram ID or handle. Then you shout me. You are going to be guided. So we are going to start with the moving average 200. That is the period is going to be 200. The shift is always 0 and method is always exponential. Apply to close. The line type should be continuous line and the thickness should be this, and the color should be black. Okay, remember, if you are actually watching the video in the link, the video link in the description of this video, you notice we are using the H1 time frame. So the next moving average is going to be, go to insert indicator. It's going to be moving average 100. Then the same thing, but only the color will change. I think we are going to be using red as the color. We're going to be using red. Then we're going to go to indicator once again by going to insert and swing. Then indicator, which is the moving average. The period here should be 50. We'll change the color. So I told you we're going to use yellow. If you watch the video in the link, if you watch the video given in the description of the video, of this video, and the coloring of the moving averages varies, then you have to match it with the current one I'm showing you in this video. Just match it, just edit and match it. If maybe you have watched that video before but the coloring is different from the coloring here, just try to match it. That's cool. So you go to insert once again, go to indicator, and then you go to trend and then moving average. That's good. Then you make sure that this is moving average. The period should be 20, as you can see here. The method is always the same, other ones the same. The color should be green. Look for perfect green. Okay, you see. So if you check the video link in the description of this current video, you will discover that that is a permutation theory that you are applied in the discussion of that video. How to apply that video to actually synthesize signals. But the truth is, indicators cannot give you 100% accurate signals. What it means is you should not just rely on these indicators. What you need to do is either when you start seeing failures, you join the VIP. You join the VIP signal service by joining my public Telegram channel and chatting me at my Telegram handle to be added. A lot of people have been subscribed and are making it. Or if you are like, you want to be your own boss, you don't want to depend on someone's signal service, then you can actually enroll for my courses. It's still another alternative to succeed in this game. If you don't want to enroll for signal service, you don't want to enroll for my courses, then buy my robot. My robot is very, very powerful. It's a binary robot that help you. The cost of getting this robot is $1,000 right now, but it might increase in coming future. Why? It's very costly because of the level of programming and coding that was employed. Experts were involved in the coding, and it's well self-automated. Like, you don't need to do anything, just put the parameters and the values and start running it. This is the best robot ever. It will definitely make you rich overnight trading the binary option, especially rise and fall market. Okay, that's cool. I'll be ending this video. Take action today. Bye for now.
If you're prepared